Assalamu alaikum. Today we will working in existing chat application and implement the online or offline user status functionality. So here it will show the active user status, and here it will show other active user status. Let's see from example. If I close the application, so from here the other active user is hide, and if I come back to the application, so it will show me other active user. And let's see, from this application it will hide, and if I come back to the application it will show the hun is active. So let's go to register screen, and here we will add another text field for name. From this text field we take the name from user, and here create another controller for name. Use here name controller, and go to Firebase helper. So here we will create collection with the name of user. So in this collection we will store all the users dog. So here we will give the current user ID, UID, and set. So it's a function that required map of string and dynamics. So here we create a map, so one per name, one per email, one for status. So status is by default online. When the user created, so it will show the online status. And here use name. Now here it required a name controller.text. So restart the application and let's see what changes inside the application. Let's see, another text field is added for name. So here we will create a new user. It will created a user and check the Cloud Firestore. So here user collection is created. Let's see. So its email is hamadhan@gmail.com and name is Hamad, and the status is online. Now go to chat screen. So in chat screen here we will write some text for other user status, and here we will use a container for showing the online user, other online user. with the height of 50 and width is double dot infinity. Here use a child and let's reduce that container height to 450, and here we will use a stream builder. So simple, let's copy from here and paste here. Cut the order by and also change the collection name, and from here cut that and let's see. So here we will show the name of user, so it will show Hamad. Let's start the application. Let's see what's happened. So it will show the current user. Now here let's reduce to 40. Let's see, and also decorate container. So color gray with opacity 0.6. Let's change to green. And also change the radius. Circular 20 and change height to 45. Now here cut that and use a column. Circular pro avatar and change its radius to 14 and also color and here show the username. Also change padding only from left 10 and from top 2. Let's restart the application. Let's see. Now let's create a function that will show the user data. Make it asynchronous and here use await keyword firebase firestore.instance. So we fetch the user collection by his UID. So here we will give the login user.uid. We want to fetch only the login user data, so here use a get function and dot, so use then function and here call print function and let's check the data. Let's restart the application. So it will print the data of user collection. In the debug console, let's see status online, and if we want to show only status of user, so here make changes and let's restart the application. So it will print the user status in debug console. Let's see the answer output. And if we want to print the name, so here change status to name and restart the application. So it will print the name of user in debug console. Let's see Hamad. So let's create a map and then inside a then function we will use setState function, and here map equal to value dot data. So it return map of string and dynamic, and we will assign to map variable. Now go to app bar. Let's copy the user email and here use column and paste it, and also here show the user status. So let's use map dot status. Let's restart the application. So it will show the user status below the email. Sorry, it will cause some error. Let's create another variable with the type of string, so it will show user data and let's assign map dot status, and here use that. So go to app bar and here simple user data dot to string, and let's start the application. So it will, so the error will be gone and it will show the online status of user. Now let's use cross axis alignment to start, and here also use cross axis alignment dot to start. So now for online or offline behavior, we will add another class here. widget bending observer, and let's see the documentation. It is abstract class widget bending observer, and also check all the documentation. So in this class we have function did change app lifecycle. So let's copy from here, copy from here and use paste here. Let's delete that code, and here we will use condition. So state equal to app lifecycle dot state resume. So user will be online, and here also use else. User will be offline. Now let's create one function for updating the user. Update user. Here use status. And here we will use Firebase firestore.instance.collection. So we will updating the status in user collection. So here use document so login user dot uid dot update function, and here we will update status of user. So here now call that function. Inside that did change app lifecycle. So here update user function, so it will set to be online, and if in else part update user to offline, and also make it asynchronous. Here use await keyword. Go to init state function, and here use widget bending.instance.add observer, and here use this keyword, and here use null operator. And let's restart the application, see the output. So go to chat application, cloud firestore. So if I minimize the application, here the status will be changed to offline. Let's see, it will show the offline status, and if I come back to the application, it will show online. Now for other user status, we will go to container, and here let's do one thing. let's copy, cut from here and use another column and paste here. Restart the application. Nothing will change. So here we will use condition login user dot email equal to x dot email. So it will show nothing, so empty text. And if the user is self, it will not show his status, and here is showing only other user. Let's restart the application. So from here the Hamad is hide. Let's see. My internet connection is slow, so that's why the status of Hamad Khan will taking some time. Now here we will use another condition. So x status equal to offline, so it will show empty text. So it doesn't show the offline user status, it will show only online user status. And let's change container height to 46 and also change the list view dot builder scroll direction axis to, by default it is vertical, and we have to change to horizontal and restart the application. Let's see the changes. So here is some bottom overflowed by 0.200 pixel. So here it will change to 13 and also change to 1. Let's back to 45 and restart the application. So the error will gone. Now I simply run the application in another emulator. So let's create account. Here I give some name. Stefan gmail.com, and here also give password. Let's click the register. Let's see, it will show the Atif Khan status, and also here it will show the Hamad Khan status. If I minimize the application, So from here the Atif Khan status is gone, and if I come back to the application, it will show the Atif Khan status. Let's see in this application. If I come back to the application, it will show Hamad Khan status. And let's create some chat. So let's do one thing. Go to Logout button and here also call the update function. When the user click the Logout button, so it will update the user status to offline. And it's hot reload. Here we will miss the semicolon. Hot reload. And if I click the Logout button, so this online user status will be gone. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.